Creating a weekly posting schedule that doesn't burn you out is crucial if you're looking to stay consistent without feeling overwhelmed. But how do you do it without the stress? Let's break it down. First, you need to plan your content ahead of time. By batching your work into 1 or 2 focused sessions per week, you can create multiple pieces of content that will last you the whole week. This reduces daily pressure and gives you more free time. Scheduling posts in advance using tools like our software means you don't need to scramble to create content last minute. But here's the trick, keep it realistic. It's easy to fall into the trap of overloading your schedule with too many posts. Instead, think about how much you can truly handle. Are you able to post every day, or would 3 times a week be better? Focus on quality over quantity. Even posting 3 times per week consistently will have more impact than trying to do it daily and burning out. You also want to consider your energy levels throughout the week. If you find that you're more creative on Mondays and tend to hit a wall later in the week, plan your more intensive tasks for earlier in the week. Keep the lighter, easier tasks, like responding to comments or reposting content, towards the end of the week when you might have less energy. Another important aspect is content repurposing. Instead of always creating new material, reuse what you've already done. A blog post can become an Instagram caption, a YouTube video can be cut into smaller clips, and your content can be reshared across multiple platforms. Repurposing will save you tons of time and prevent burnout from trying to constantly create fresh content from scratch. As you create your schedule, take advantage of our software to organize your posts and track your progress. It's designed to help streamline the process so you don't miss deadlines or overwork yourself. In the description below, you'll find an exclusive free trial to try out the software and follow along with this system. Now, let's talk about breaks. Don't forget to schedule downtime for yourself. Whether it's a day off or just a few hours, it's vital to recharge and avoid burnout. Schedule your breaks as if they were just as important as your content creation time. Lastly, automate where you can. Use automation tools to schedule your posts so you're not manually uploading every single one. This takes the burden off your shoulders and gives you more time to focus on content creation instead of logistics. Key takeaway: a sustainable posting schedule is all about balance. Plan your content ahead, keep the number of posts manageable, repurpose content, and always remember to take breaks. Using tools like our software can help you stay organized and save time. To recap, plan in batches, keep it realistic, track your energy levels, repurpose your content, and don't forget to automate and take breaks. And before you go, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. You don't want to miss it.